can make an order on our website. We've been getting a lot of people to make or purchase items on our website, so please follow these few instructions and you should be alright. So I'll go to Father's Day 2021 early promo on our website. Just click on there, then scroll down, choose whatever product you want to purchase. So I'll choose something which needs a picture upload so that it can be more simpler. Let me choose the travel mug and Father's Day hoodie. I'll click on it. As you can see, the price is 400 Rand. If you also need to write a review, you can come back, rate it from 1 to 5 star, write a review or ask a question. Here, return ask a question so that you can get help immediately. The question will go straight to our email and then we'll answer you accordingly. So here it's a hoodie and a travel mug. Now the travel mug, if you can notice, it needs a picture or a photo of anything that you want to print on the mug. And then the hoodie also, if you need to add another picture, you can do so, or on the instructions you can write whatever you want to be written or printed on the hoodie. So let's just go to add file, and then you will see here on your phone, it will depend which you are using. It can be a phone, can be a laptop, but on your phone you will see a camera, a camcorder if you want to record a video. But we don't need a video, we need a camera, a photo. Or go to files. I'll click on files. If you already have a picture on what phone you are using, you'll click resend or whatever. Okay, on resend I can see some few picture on resend. I'll choose this picture right here. It's loading. An extra photo. I'll click again to add another file. Click on file, add this second picture, and then on instructions, maybe for example I'll just write, please write I love you daddy. Or whatever instruction you need to add, but I'll end there. I love you daddy on the hoodie, and both pictures travel mug. On the travel mug. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, notice now we're done. I wrote the instruction. Just to add some few stuff down here, you can save this product for later as favorite. Have a question, please message us, or alternatively email us. And then click quantity and add how many quantity you need. 1 for now, it's fine. And then we'll add to bag. Okay, now shopping chart. Click on agree terms to condition. Keep me up to date with news and offers. and then you can see subtotal is 400 Rand, shipping is 100 Rand. You can change it later on the next step. If you have a promo code or gift card, you can click on redeem code. If maybe you still need to shop for more items, you can click on continue and shop for more items. But for now, we'll go to check out. And then our next step, as you can see, total is 500 Rand, 400 for the wooden travel mug, and shipping 100 Rand. But then now there's an option here, ship to my address, which you will add here, or I'll pick it up myself, which you can contact us for an address to pick up. But that option is only available for local Johannesburg and Soweto surrounding. For now, if you also need to change email, you can change email here on top. And then let's go for on our next deliver and pick up options. Here we are. Okay, there are other options. 100 Rand is RMX, remember, or Trendy Mix local dot deliver, it's 80 Rand, and it's also written this covers Johannesburg, Soweto, West Rand, East Rand and surrounding. Or you can choose a Pexi, Pexi, which is 60 Rand, but it's a bit longer to deliver, 5 to 15 days for the 60 Rand one. Or if you have an alternative shipping for yourself, it's all right, you can contact us and then they will pick up on our location. As you can see here, email is correct, address is correct. Not happy with the shipping price, choose pick up option, then contact us to organize your preferred location. And remember, we only keep 20% of the stock, the rest needs to be forwarded by our suppliers. Please allow 7 days to thank you. It's all the products. Some of the products are already here with us. So after ordering, or maybe before ordering, please ask us how long it will take, and then we'll be glad to assist you. So for now, okay, let's just change here to Trendy Mix local. You can see the total to, let's click on Pexi, the price total will change to 460, and then we continue next, and then now payment option. We're done with everything. Ref, deposit. If you are choosing deposit, the ref will be order number, but then alternatively you can pay via credit or debit card. PayPal, by cash deposit, you will have to add a reference number, which will be the order number that you'll be given on your email address. So for example, pay by cash deposit, here are the instruction below. Pay by coin payments, that's where you'll be able to pay by Bitcoin or any other coins which coin payments accepts. And then credit card, that's where you will add your card information, and then it will pay automatically within few seconds or minutes depending on how fast you are. And then billing address, shipping address, and then order comment. If you want to add something, comment, how did you find us, you can choose, it's optional also. If you want to support and donate, to the growth of our business, you can click 5%, 10%, 15 or 50%. For now, there's no tip. I'll click on no tip, and then I'll do pay by cash deposit because I'll not be paying now. So place an order. The order is, thank you for your order. Order number TM. Okay, still loading. It's redirected, but on your email you'll find the order number, you'll find the price which you'll need to deposit, and then immediately after depositing you email us your proof of payment, and then we'll start processing your order. Thank you very much. I hope